Your BoxyCharm is here, and I need to review that again. Hello, my lovelies! Today is BoxyCharm Day! It finally arrived. I'm excited. It is my normal BoxyCharm. And really, no further ado, nothing else needs to be said except for I'm an addict and I have a problem with BoxyCharm and I should go into therapy, but I'm not. I am just going to open this and indulge myself because it's fun. And the bad thing is I have a problem. I have an addiction with BoxyCharms and add-ons and all that. But do my friends stop me? No. Do you know why they don't stop me? Because they get toys out of it. Anything that I don't want, they get presents. And they're like, no, keep buying, keep buying. See, it's an evil, vicious cycle. Okay, so this is the regular BoxyCharms for those of you who did get the regular BoxyCharms. So first thing I got is Violet Voss, All of You Forever. It's an eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to open that up and see. I like the green. I am a real fan of green. Let's see. Ooh, so it does actually have some nice greens in it. This is a very nice palette. There's some really pretty green up here, some pretty green down here. It does come with black. You know I like black in the eyeshadows because then you can do a full eye. The Wink is their lightest brow color. They have this major spotlight you could use for brow highlight, but it is shimmery, so it's going to give you a point focus like I have right there. So, but overall, this is very nice. I can't wait to try it out and see how the pigments are and how well it actually works. So I will be doing a little demo video eventually and do an eye look with it so I can let you know if it's worth getting if you didn't get it. If you do get it, let me know how you think about it if you will try it before I do. Okay. Oh, here's the postcard that comes with this one. Since it's January, they give us a fresh start postcard. So you have your Violet Voss. All of You Forever eyeshadow palette was $34. They have a Farmacy Daily Greens Farmacy Daily Greens oiled free gel moisturizer for $38. An Avant Skincare Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. That was for $90. Actually, there's a pretty large price tag in this straight boxy. Usually you don't have big ticket items, but that one was $90. Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask for $25, and then a Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss for $18. All right, so here we go. This one is this is exclusively for BoxyCharm. It's the Farmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. It has moringa and papaya in it. So pretty little packaging. I don't know. Tore the package. I don't want it. It's very pretty little packaging. I don't want to tear the packaging. That's sad. Don't tear the packaging. Alright, the package is being torn. It's not easy open. Let's see. So, and it is a nice creamy. It smells really good. It kind of reminds me of... I am completely drawing a blank. It was my favorite skincare product I used to use back in the day. And now I can't even think of the name. But that smells really good. It's very light fragrance, papaya, kind of greeny. It smells really good. So it's going to annoy me that I can't remember what that skincare product line was called. Dude, don't you hate with that? This is ridiculous. Okay, let's see. What else do we have here? Here's the Micellar Water by Avant Hyaluronic Marigold. So it's got Brazil nut, tonka, diacete, glutamate, tetrasodium chloride, or sodium chloride. So you read it down where they really have it set up where it makes it hard to read. You're like, is this a word cross puzzle? Or I'm just old. You think it's just I'm old? Could be that I'm old. Hyaluronic Marigold, tocopherol, propanolene, glycol, glycerin, sodium chloride, tetrasodium glutamate, diacetate, tonka, and Brazil nuts. It's an age Nutrivive. So this is because I am old, they sent me this. That's what it is. I will have to try this. It doesn't look like there's anything that I am immediately allergic to. It has some calendula in it, which I know is actually really nice for healing properties. It smells really nice, so I am interested to try this out. I'll have to let you know if it works. Alright, and then we have Apple Balm Glow Lip Mask for your lips. So this one is before bedtime. You are to coat your lips in a generous layer and leave overnight. You can also do it in the day for a tinted lip glue. And simply slather. They usually really use the word slather. Simply slather onto lips alone or dab over any lip application. So it is product sensitive, so keep it from getting too warm. It's got jojoba and apricot and rose hips and green apple and pineapple, and you know what? Those little rose hip oils. I was going to say something worse. They say it's hypoallergenic, but they have not met me because I'm allergic to rose hips. So this will be a gift to some lucky individual. Alright, Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm. Lipgasm! And I'm tearing this little box too. I really shouldn't be doing that. Ooh, that's a really cute color. That's very, very bright. Lipgasm is the color. It's made without formaldehyde. That's a cute little color. It's a little more sheer. It's not really that opaque. It's more of a lip gloss versus like a lip color. See, because these are lipsticks. This is a lip gloss. So that'd be a nice little hint and the kind of natural pinky little glow to your lips. And that will do it for my January BoxyCharm. Let me know what you got in yours, and I will talk to you guys later as I post more randomness.